Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 6. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an agricultural studies class for the students of class 6. Our today's topic is chapter 2 MCQ 1 to 15. Let's see the board. Chapter 2 MCQ 1 to 15. Dear students, in this connections I request all of my students of class 6 to look at board or to give your maximum attention. So look at first, we will read. So it is in here class 6 technical studies term half yearly, you know this. Chapter 2, and this is our lecture number 10, homework number 7. So look here, how long should be the fishing. So look here, how long should be the fishing rod used in a hook. That means from our book, okay, we have learned, but we need to see the option at first. A 400 centimeter, B 200 centimeter, C 100 centimeter, and D 300 centimeter. So from our book we have learned the fishing rod should used in a hook, it will be 200 centimeter. That means option number B is the appropriate answer. 2 number, for how many days eggs can be preserved into an earthen pot. So look, A number 5 to 10 days, B number 20 to 25 days, 3 30 to 40 days, and 2 number 20 to 50 days. So from the book we have learned it is 20 to 25 days we can preserve our egg in the earthen pot, B number. Now 3, advantages of using barley crop winnower. It can be made locally, it can be used indoor during bad weather. Threshing and cleaning can be done in less time and cost. So look here, which of the following is correct? A number 1 and 2, B number 1 and 3, C number 2 and 3. So look at the point 2 and 3. Advantages of using barley crop winnower. It can be used indoor during bad weather. Yes, important thing. Another one is threshing and cleaning can be done in less time and cost. That means option number C 1 and 2, 2 and 3 is the appropriate answer. Now 4 number, fishes captured in a flying cast net are 1 mini carp, 2 shrimp, and 3 nola. Which of the following is correct? So look, means yes, we can capture that all types of fish. For example, mini carp, shrimp, nola. It will be 1, 2, 3. So D number is the appropriate answer. 1, 2, 3. D number. Now 5th, what is the local name of flying cast net? So look here, A Jhaki Jal, B Thela Jal, C is Khora Jal, and D Pola. Yes, from the book we have learned the flying cast net is called Dhaki Jal. So look here. Now there is a passage. So look, read the following passage and answer the questions number 6 and 7. There is a large marsh named Roy Marsh in front of Alamgir's village home. The villagers catch fish in that marsh all year round. They meet the needs of the family by fishing with different equipments like the deep net, wicker, and hook. Alamgir also catches fish using a hook in his leisure time. So look number 6. What does Alamgir use while catching fish with a hook? So look, A bait, B number hook, C number balance foot, and D number wild hook. Yes, that means Alamgir use, it is bait. Okay, use bait, A number, while catching fish with a hook. Now 7, the villager catch fish with 1 drag net, 2 wicker, and 3 drip net. So which of the following is correct? It will be, so look here, drag net, no, it is wicker and drip net. That means option number B 2 and 3 is the appropriate answer. Now we will go to next page to have MCQ number 8. What is the ratio of straw and green grass for preparing silage? So A 1.5, B 2.5, C 4.5, it is 5.2. So we have understood that preparing silage we need straw and green is 1.5. Option number A is the appropriate answer. 9. A silo pit should be prepared where 1. Rainwater does not get locked, there is no shortage of grass, there is no shortage of oxygen. Which of the following is correct? A. So look here, it will be 1 and 2. Rain water doesn't get locked. Yes, this one, and there is no shortage of grass. That means A number It is option number 1 and 2 is the appropriate answer. Now read the following passage and answer the questions number 10, 11 and 12. Anwar Hussain has a livestock farm. He has 20 cows in his farm. He uses to feed his cow with green grass. He also cultivates good quality green grass in his field. Moreover, he uses to preserve grass for the dry season. For this, he follows a method. So look, 10 number. The method used by Anwar is preserving green grass is called 1 stocking, 2 silage and 3 number silo pit. So it will be silage, we all know. Which of the following is correct? It is B number, silage. What kind of acid is produced due to lack of oxygen in the silo pit? A. Citric acid, B. Lactic acid, C. Folic acid and D. Sulfuric acid. D number, it is lactic acid. Now 12. Which kind of green grass is good for silage? A. Grass that is rich in carbohydrate, B. Grass that has more leaves, grass that is rich in starch, and D number, grass that is rich in fat. It will be option number A, grass that is rich in carbohydrate and it is good for the silage. 13 number. Local agricultural equipments are 1 country plough, B. yoke and D. ladder. Which of the following is correct? This 1 and 2, 1 and 3. C, it is 2 and 3, D number 1, 2, 3. So look here, these 3 are the local equipments. For example, country plough, yes, yoke and ladder. That means option number D, 1, 2, 3 is the appropriate answer. 14 number. Which crop can be cultivated in zero tillage? A. Maize, wheat, paddy, jute. So from our book we have learned from the exercise that zero tillage is maize. Last number MCQ. The latest developed technology of country plough is A. Paddle thresher, B. moldboard plough and C. power tiller and barley crop thresher. Latest, so look here, latest developed country plough is power tiller. So dear students, look at our last segment. It is homework number 7, MCQ 1 to 5. You will do your homework. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that means up to 1 to 7 you will do as your homework. Dear students, I hope that this class will help you very much to learn MCQ from chapter 2. Keep practicing at home and do your homework properly. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.